Welcome to this week's episode of Debriefing Design. Today, we're going to take a break from home renovations and redesigns and show you the process we take during our staging consultation and also explain the other aspect of space planning when it comes to furnishings design. We'll transform this modern white box into a warm and inviting residence fit for a multi-generational family with enough space to entertain up to 40 guests. This is Operation Less is More. Our builder client custom designed this modern masterpiece as a technological marvel. Every room was pre-wired for all of the AV connections one could possibly dream of. As a result, we literally had a blank white box to work with. We were tasked with injecting the space with a persona and storyline so potential buyers would be able to envision themselves living in a modern home. At 3,300 square feet, the home had a massive living space for entertaining guests, 4 ensuite bedrooms complete with full bathrooms, and a powder bath. The majority of the home was on the first floor, while a private staircase by the garage led to the second floor living area, secondary master bedroom, and bath. The nearly 50 feet of glass wall opens the private side yard perfect for outdoor entertaining. Styling an occupied space can be a very different process from staging an empty property without any occupants. Typically, when we style a client-occupied home, we inventory their existing furniture and take care in noting any family heirloom pieces or anything that has sentimental value for our clients and incorporate these items into the design, sometimes giving the pieces new life by repurposing or refinishing them. During the staging process, it's typically much smoother to work with an empty property while creating a story for potential homebuyers. For this house, our storyboard family consisted of an art collecting couple with 2 kids and 1 set of parents who lived with them. In this staged scenario, the family loved to entertain and cook, and one of the spouses worked from home. Because the building had such stark architectural style, we wanted to bring in some warmth and utility to make the property cozy and inviting rather than cold and sterile. We also made recommendations in a few key areas for updates that would be more convenient for the family. 1. We replaced the white 4-inch solid surface backsplash in the kitchen with a tumbled black mosaic tile so the pristine kitchen would have better contrast and the white walls could withstand splashes and spills while cooking. 2. In the master bath, we added modern storage towers to accommodate linens and toiletries. 3. We added custom pull-out bins in the 2 master closets so that potential buyers could see the versatility in the fully customizable Alpha-style closet systems. Not wanting to take away from the modernity of the home finished with naturally sealed concrete floors and tall 12-foot ceilings with an entire panoramic wall glass, we sought to bring in pops of colors by utilizing the blank walls as a backdrop for our gallery and chose key pieces of furniture to help draw one's eyes throughout the home. The first space we tackled was the main living and entertainment space. Coming in right under 1,000 square feet, the task of furnishing this great room was daunting. There are many ways to lay out a living, dining, bar, breakfast area in 1,000 square feet, but we ultimately ended up with a living space able to seat up to 10, adjacent to a dining area that could also seat 10. We designed the seating area in front of the breakfast island to be a morning sanctuary featuring 2 refinished antique ladder-back armchairs and a high-gloss apple sitting on top of a red brindled cowhide. When space planning with furniture, a design tactic we often use is to make sure the height of the furniture is proportionate within the space. For this particular project, we wanted the majority of the visually heavy furniture pieces to be monotone with pops of colors in select accent pieces throughout, and also in accessories and artwork. We decided to showcase local artists and feature all original pieces. The main living entertainment space was injected with bursts of red, pink, and blue. We also mixed different materials together so there was a playful dance of light reflections off of various metal, acrylic, and lacquered paint surfaces. We specified clear acrylic counter stools so the waterfall edge details of the kitchen island could be appreciated. We were also careful not to overload the main area with too much furniture, as it would not be in keeping with the contemporary aspect of the home. Typically, in a main living area, we find clients wanting sofa consoles, TV stands, and side tables, but because the house was pre-wired with cable outlets in multiple walls, we wanted to show off the clean and minimalistic style of living the property allowed. In the master bedroom, we accentuated the height of the 12-foot ceilings with a modern 4-poster bed in the same finish as the new bathroom storage columns. We further enhanced the earthy tones with various hues of green throughout accent bedding, rugs, lamps, and pillows. 2 oversized modern wing chairs also occupied the seating area with another full glass wall. In the master bath, we brought in chartreuse by adding a seat adjacent to the wet room and also added a narrow bench in the master closet. For the middle bedrooms, we pushed more towards an industrial design. In the smaller of the 2 rooms, we created an office with a steel desk and black leather and brass guest chairs. In a larger room, we specified an iron pipe and wood style twin over queen bunk bed, black metal desk with amber acrylic Eames style chair, leather butterfly lounge chair, and aviator style nightstand. Upstairs in the live-in parents' quarters, we designed a private entertainment room with a glass and chrome bar cart, black leather sofa, and 2 opposing oversized lounge chairs with a multifunctional ottoman coffee table with a lift-up wood top. We opted for an elegant secondary master bedroom that would help with the lower 8-foot ceilings by bringing in a navy blue tufted velvet headboard with OG profile and shorter occasional chairs to ground the room. Thank you for joining us this week on Debriefing Design. We hope you found this overview of the process we take when furnishing a property to be educational and also enjoy learning about some of the things we consider when we style a home for our clients. Please leave a comment below if you have any questions or feedback about this project. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for new episodes. Operation Less is More. Case closed.